Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now today at CB Active Traveler, I'm making a delicious holiday cider. Spiked or not, it is perfect for this time of the year. To spike mine, I used the hooch, the apple pie moonshine, remember? But you can use whatever alcohol or liquor that you like. Rum happens to be a favorite. But listen, it's also delicious without alcohol. Very easy to make, and the house will thank you for the insane aroma.
Okay, Stuart, you are rushing everything.
Well, if I take too long, Dennis drinks my beer.
I do not.
I know you do, Dennis. You're the only one that wears lip gloss.
It is lip balm, and it's very dry in here.
Guys, come on, just about can you knock it off? Sit down, relax.
Okay, let's get started. Pure pressed apple cider, pineapple juice, a splash of vanilla, some fruit, I didn't use the lemon, and your spices. I used whole cloves and allspice, a few cinnamon sticks, star anise, ginger, and whole nutmeg. Now for the nutmeg, I gently smashed it open to open it up and bring out the flavors. Peeled the orange. You'll be way better than I was at only getting the peel and not the pithy white part. Squeeze the orange and reserve the juice. I'll strain it before I put it in. Now add your spices to a pot on low heat for about a minute just to get them going. Stir them around. Add your cider. This recipe calls for 8 cups or half a gallon, which is 1.9 liters. There goes the pineapple juice, the orange juice, strain it, the orange peel, all on low to medium low heat. The vanilla I actually added a little bit later in the process, and you can also cut up an apple at this point if you want and put it in. Now I did not because my spike was more apple cider, but let it slow simmer, not a boil, for as long as you want as the house begins to smell like Yogi the Bear and the picnic basket. Okay, after about an hour, you could add your liquor. There's the hooch, but because I had others taking part, I left out the hooch and just added a shot to mine. The only drunk in the room. Other choices, as you can see, rum, whiskey, vodka, even limoncello. Fish out your aromatics with a strainer. Of course, you can strain it into another bowl, but I was way too lazy for another setup, so it took me twice as long. But there it is. Delicious, fruity, no added sugar, and the vanilla points everything up perfectly. Serve it with a cinnamon stick, add your shot if desired, and just enjoy. Happy holidays, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you can. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.